It's for them ladies, dainty ladies. Ghost rider, yeah, you're so provider, yeah. Ghost rider, yeah. I look in your eyes and I can see love so dangerously. You're not just in your heart to anyone. When you tell me you're gonna play it smart, through before the start, I believe we've only just begun. When it is good, there's no saying no. I love you so, I'm ready to go. Through the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I gladly risk it all. To the fire, to whatever comes what may. For a chance to loving you, I give you all the way. Right down to the wire, even to the fire. Ghost rider, you're so provider. I know you're afraid of what you feel. There's still the time to heal. I can help you if you only let me try. And you touch me and something in me new. What I could have with you. Well, I'm not ready to kiss this dream goodbye. When it is good, there's no saying no. I need you so, I'm ready to go. To the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I gladly risk it all. To the fire, to whatever comes what may. For a chance to loving you, I give you all the way. Right down to the wire, even to the fire. Ghost rider, you're so provider. I look in your eyes and I can see love so dangerously. You're not just in your heart to anyone. When you tell me you're gonna play it smart, through before the start, I believe we've only just begun. When it is good, there's no saying no. I love you so, I'm ready to go. To the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I gladly risk it all. To the fire, to whatever comes what may. For a chance to loving you, I give you all the way. Right down to the wire, even to the fire.
Get through a night without you. If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? I need you in my heart, need you to you're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life.
I will tell her, singer.
And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know. How do I breathe without you? If you ever know, how do I ever survive? No, I would die. Tell me I would die. I would die. No, without you. There will be no sun in my sky. There will be no love in my life. There will be no run left for me. And baby, I don't know what I would do. I will lost if I lose you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. No. Without tell me I would die, and tell me I would die. No, 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 no. I would die. No, 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 no. If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, I need you in my home, need you to you're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And love me now. I will not live without you. I want to know. I don't breathe without you.
I can tell you a story about what one dance can do. What one dance can do. One dance can do. One dance can do. And listen there. After one dance on the floor, she came back wanting for more, for more. Now I don't know what it is that I've got, but she whispered it was so nice, so nice. But her man is sitting across the way, and he could hear the things I say. Now he watches from the corner of his eyes. So a move like this would be so unwise. Ooh, ooh, he's standing in my way. Standing in my way. You could see she was more than ready to make the move with me anytime. Not even thinking of the consequences, oh no, no. So I had to think quickly. Cause her man, his face was looking oh so mean, as if any time he could create a scene. So gently I pushed her away. Ooh, ooh, he wants to spoil the play. He's standing in my way. He's standing in my way. Whoa, whoa. Now I understand how he feels, but I wish you'd give me a little room. I know he's got himself a raw deal, ooh, but I'd like to leave with this lady soon. I didn't mean to be so unkind, but I had more than two, and the one was looking fine. Big spender he was, had to have his own way. Thought he'd leave, but he stayed. Ooh, ooh, still standing in my way. Hey, hey. Standing in my way. Hey, hey. Standing in my way. Hey. Ooh, ooh, standing in my way. Hey. Standing in my way. That's what one dance can do. Standing in my way. One dance can do. Oh. Still standing in my way. It's gone too bad. Ain't take it no more. Ain't gonna light no candle anymore. when you appear. Something tells me let it go, let it go, let it go. It's not coming from the heart. Let it go, let it go. If there's a drop of blood left in me, clearly I can see. Let it go. Ain't gonna light the fireplaces, but I'll keep the bed warm just in case you might surprise me. Come home a little bit early, yes, with one of these games that you think can hold me. Something tells me let it go, let it go, let it go. She's not coming from the heart. Let it go, let it go. If there's a drop of blood left in me, clearly I can see. Let it go. I'm supposed to think for me and know what is good for me. She ain't no goody for me. Oh, ain't gonna light no candle anymore. Ain't gonna wake up for you as before. Ain't gonna waste my time sitting there worrying about when you appear. Something tells me let it go, let it go, let it go. It's not coming from the heart. Let it go, let it go. If there's a drop of blood left in me, clearly I can see. Let it go. I ain't gonna light the fireplaces, but I'll keep the bed warm just in case you might surprise me. Come home a little bit early, yes, with one of these games that you think can hold me. Something tells me let it go, let it go, let it go. She's not coming from the heart. Let it go, let it go. If there's a drop of blood left in me, clearly I can see. I see you coming, oh God. Now Jack is the Mac and he comes around every Monday, oh Tuesday and Wednesday, every day of the week. And even though I try to tell you that I love you from the bottom of my heart, you had no place for me. It's all vanity. Now you fell for one of them sweet lies, the kind you doubt still you wanna believe. When the heart's not hearing what the brain is saying and you're weak in the knees. Another sweet lie, the kind you doubt still you wanna believe. When the heart's in doubt, you got to stay out. Now the wine and the roses stopped coming around some time ago, but you won't admit that so. You pretend. I know it's hard to look your best, wearing the same old shabby dress, so you stay at home, waiting by the phone for another of them sweet lies, the kind you doubt still you wanna believe now. When the heart's not hearing what the brain is saying and you're weak in the knees. Another sweet lie, the kind you doubt still you wanna believe now. When the heart's in doubt, you should know to stay out of it. Now it gives me no pleasure to say I told you so. It's been hard to keep it low, knowing the things I know. And maybe in another place and in another time, under different circumstances, you will find happiness. So I suggest Don't take foolish chances, no. When you see big wheel coming, another big wheel coming.
Take me back into the arms I love. Leave me like you did before. Dance me once again and remember when there was no one but you until more. Don't go, you know you break my heart. Here you are, I feel like I will. Love the one who stays when he walks away. And you know I'll be standing here still. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. See me as if you never knew. Oh, hold me so you can let go. Just believe in me. I will make you see all the things that your heart needs to know. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you more. Somewhere a love that we have can be saved when every day goes to find. Don't wait for you here inside my heart. I'm the one who wants to love you more. You will see I can give you everything you need. Let me be the one to love you. I'll be waiting for you here inside my heart. I'm the one. The first nights together is like the first kiss. It's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, still go on. First time our eyes met, same feeling I get. Only feel more stronger. Don't wanna love you longer. You still turn the fire on. Some feel feeling lonely, don't want. Guess what, my baby? You're the only one I ever want. I only want to make it go. Hey, baby. So if I love you a little more than I should, please forgive me. I know not what I do more. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. No. Don't deny me. It's pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. I need you like I do. Please believe it. Every word I say it's true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. No. It still feels like the best time
giving women love. This is for the world. Don't some silly melody.
I never knew this could be. Look what I live to see. This girl that I love, really. She was only playing with my mind, as if she was in love with me. Really played me like a fool, so cruel. How could she do me this when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me this after all I done for her? How could she do me this when I wanted to spend my life with? And how could she do me this?
It's like a virus in the air. As a brother, I must share my sad situation with you. I have the same kind of woman who always says she do, when she knows deep in her heart it's not true.
Telling lies.
Then she packed her things and leave me, and then had a lawyer call me, 'cause she knew her alibis couldn't go through. How could she do me this when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me this after all I've done for her? How could she do me this when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me this? I never been fooled like this. Oh no, I never again.
Never ever been falling in love like this. I'll never ever again. How could she do me that when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me that after all I done for her? How could she do me that when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me that? Do me that? I never knew this could be. Look what I live to see. This girl that I love, really. She was only playing with my mind, as if she was in love with me. Really played me like a fool, so cruel. How could she do me this when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me this after all I done for her? How could she do me this when I wanted to spend my life with her? How could she do me this? Do me this?
So many things are going through my mind. I don't know why. I guess now it's time for me to give up. I think it's time. Got a picture of you beside me. Got your lipstick marks along a couple cups. Oh yeah. Ooh, baby. Got a fist of your emotion. Got a handshot of dreams. Gotta leave it all behind now. And whatever I said, whatever I did, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. See, I want you back for good. And whenever
to Mama. Mama wanted to see my future bride. She looked at us both and then called me to her side. She said, son, take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. But I didn't listen to Mama. I went straight to the church. I couldn't wait to get this girl of mine. When I got off from work, the preacher was there, so was my future bride. He looked at us both and called me to his side. He said, son, take time to know her. Take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. But it looks like everything was gonna turn out alright. Till I came home a little early one night. And there she was kissing another man. And I knew what Mama meant when she took me by the hand. And she said, yeah, take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. Take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. I found a woman. I felt a true little love. She was everything that I'd ever been dreaming of. I took her home to Mama. Mama wanted to see my future bride. She looked at us both and then she called me to her side. She kept saying, take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. Take time to know her. It's not an overnight thing. Take time to know her. Please don't rush into this thing. Better take your time. My mama said, hey, was it something that I said or didn't do this time? I don't know if it's me or you, but one of us is changing, and that much is true. But we'll have to ride it down, ride into the storm. We'll have to face it, baby, and ride it out. We'll have to ride on through the storm. Oh, now. If it's gonna be a rainy day, there's nothing we can do to change it. We can pray for sunny weather, but only Jah I know can rearrange this. You just have to ride it out the storm. Whether high tide or low, we'll have to ride it out, ride into the storm. Ooh, yeah. We've put in too many years to let it go wasted. Tribulation comes and goes. Everybody knows this. We'll be each other's shelter, each other's company. Oh, baby, just you wait and see. But we got to ride on have to ride on, ride on, riding down the storm, where the high tide on low. Things don't always go your way, no matter what you do, no matter what friends may say. We'll be each other's company, each other's shelter in this bad weather. Oh, we ride on, riding through. We're riding out the storm. Oh, baby, we'll have to ride on, riding down, riding through, riding out the storm. When I've gotta get home to you. We've got a party to go to. Can't waste no time. And all of my friends, yeah, who know that they know me well. They know that I won't rest until you. Can't waste no time. Oh, I've got to beat this traffic home. I can't afford to lay you for so long. I see there's a cop straight up that road. Should I slow down? No, 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 no. I know the shortcut to the right. Before he turns, I'll be out of sight. Oh, I know I done made up my mind. Gotta get home. Oh, yeah. I can't afford to waste no time. Can't let her down. I can't tell her about no peak hours. She don't need no explanation. Oh, I gotta get home to you. Do what I promise I do, yeah. Can't waste no time, no. All of my friends who think that they know me well, they know I won't rest until you. Can't waste no time, oh. No time, can't let her down. Can't tell her about no peak hours. She don't need no explanation. Oh, I've gotta get home to you. Do what we're supposed to do, girl. Can't waste no time. All of my friends, yeah, who think that they know me well, they know that I won't rest until I can't waste no time. I've got to beat this traffic home. Can't afford to make her wait too long. I see there's a cop straight up that road. Should I slow down? Oh, no, no, no. I know a shortcut to the right. Before he turns around, it's my tailpipe. She had done made up my mind. Gotta get home. I can't let her down. Can't let her down. No. Yes. Oh.
hey, hey, hey. Yeah, baby dance, baby dance, baby dance, little more for me. Yeah. Oh yes, sir. I've been watching you across the room. Wish I could tell you how I feel. If I could get closer, a little bit closer, then I'd show you the deal is. All night I've been uptight, and then you're inside, and then I'm alright, cause you're so clean, if you know what I mean. I mean to hold you and never let go. You need to be here in my arms. Hey babe, on my shoulder, you need to be here in my arms. Hey, hey, hey. Don't let the waiting be too long. Can hardly wait a minute more. Say excuse to the crew you're with. Come feel rubbered out hardcore. Yes. All night I've been uptight, and then you're inside, and then I'm alright, because you're so clean, if you know what I mean. I mean to hold you and never let go. You need to be here in my arms, with your head on my shoulder. You need to be here in my arms. Yes, dance for the Lord. We dance, yeah, in the meantime. Dance for me, dance for me, baby. Till we blind, I'd love you to do. Dance for me, baby. Oh yeah. To be with you. The doctor's order. I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This hurting feeling, it hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. Oh, my bed, it is so cold. You got my happiness on hold. Oh, I feel a ton of joy, and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Guess it's another sleepless night. Oh, the shiver, the shiver, the shiver, baby. I'm on the doctor's order. I need you badly. The remedy is you, girl. Don't you know? Don't you know? I feel a shiver. I'm feeling down and out. I'm a true believer. I know what it's all about. I know it's not the flu. It's all because of you. I feel a trembling when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a shiver running up my spine. This lonely, lonely feeling hits me all the time. Every time you go away, seems I can't live another day. I feel a shiver when I wake. Come back and give another break. I feel a ton of joy, and my heart gets warm, thinking about you, holding you, squeezing you in my arm. But as the day turns to night, loneliness gives me a fight. I'm afraid to close my eyes. Yes, it's another sleepless night. I feel a shiver, baby. Oh, yes. I'm a true believer. it's you I'm thinking of now. And you're lonely after dark, baby. So lonely.
Cynthia, you have a man. Ask them. She might flip up. Step a dime. Just ask them, say. Step a dime. What have you done for me lately? Step a dime. Check this, yeah, mix.
What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? I can see it in your face. You need a man like me. You take your voice prize. Warm in price, floating in spice. A little boy get you guys. Put on with the punk or do with a girl like you. I don't want to get food. Him now doing jive and you know like it. Can't do what if you do, you still him a fight it. And that's why you tell me say you love us. You love us, fight it, fight it. And tell him people call us sreggae. What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? A long time me I watch him when him did a peep. When him see you till he come to me G. Me never paid up no mind, so me press just lip clutch, kiss all me teeth. I saw me know me like him weak. Oh, the boy is so weak.
And I'll be home on a mind. Natural, here, sir.
So me make him see it, so. What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? Simple as, oh baby, I know you need a man like me. So why don't we just let you be? So you can come out to me. It's simple as, oh baby, I know you need a man like me. So why don't you just let you be? So you can come home, so you can come home. What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, I just wanna be this distance between us. And you're on my mind. Yes, leading with the darkness. I can find no peace inside. I wish you were here, holding me tight. If I ever need you, so make it alright. I wish you were here to feel like a child tonight. Just only tonight, so I'm singing again. There's rain on my window, and I can call the judge, call the judge. There's a lady in the darkness, and I can find no peace inside. I wish you were there, holding me tight. If I ever need you, to make it alright. I wish you were here to feel like a child tonight. Just guess when we're there. Each moment, ooh, and a memory. Time so time, every heart filled with an emptiness and content. All this distance between us, hey baby, can't get you out of my mind. Just can't get you out.
make it alright. I wish you were here, feel like a child tonight. Just feels, just I'm saying, and this distance between us, just right, and you're on my mind. Well, as I lay here in the darkness, I can't find no peace inside. So I wish you were there, holding those sides. And if I have you near, it's really alright. So I wish you were here, feel like a child tonight. And this song is for them ladies playing hard to get. This is truly your host, Ghost Rider, your soul provider. Wishing out for your love, didn't you, lady? Didn't you? Won't you touch me, baby? No, wishing out for your love, my dainty baby. Touch me, baby. Please touch me, baby. No, all my life I've starved for love, but behind my mask of pride, Lord, I hide from the ones I truly love, too afraid to let go. I just suffer from within. And just when I was in need of a real true friend, girl, I looked around and you were gone. Suddenly I felt all alone. Wishing out for your love, can't you, lady? Won't you touch me, baby? Wishing out for your love, my dainty baby. Please touch me, baby. Now, all my life I play this game for fun, but now what I need, share it with someone. I'm reaching out to you, removing my mask of pride. All I ever need is here by my side. I'm begging you to stay, 'cause I can make it on my own. So please, don't deny me, baby. Wishing out for your love, baby. Won't you touch me, baby? Touch me. Wishing out for your love, my dainty baby. Please touch me, baby. Touch me now. Reaching out for my ladies.
You must have to get out, you hear?
Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch.
Baby girl, I love him all the diamonds on pearl.
Oh, baby, the dress you wear, your perfume, keep me wanting you so much.
Lord of mercy, I need it very, very bad.
Now I
Any lover with me want me forget, get. Any lover with me want me forget, get. Any lover with me want me forget, get. You any lover with me want me forget, get. I could have Patsy, Marcia and the one princess. All of them come want fi kiss off me neck. Come run down Cutty ranking live and direct. And when me come a dance and say me not take no check. Any lover with me want me forget, get. Any lover with me want me forget, get. Any lover with me want me forget, get. You any lover with me want me forget.
Now I'm gonna make sure that this time a love like yours will never leave me again behind. Hey, little girl, each time you pass my way, I'm tempted to touch.
Stay there, make you go and tempt you, eh?
The dress you wear, your perfume, keep me wanting you so much.
Oh, me sure I forget her.
So much, baby.
Because love is a splendid thing. Lord, me say love come like a joy you to bring. Lord, me say love is a splendid thing. Lord, me say love come like a joy you to bring. Lord, when you love a woman, me say it is not a sin. So Lord God, me know fi ride the rhythm. Pitch up on the rhythm like a lizard pan a limb. So down on the rhythm like a tire pan a rim. Choke me with a pin, charge of a sin. Burn a minute, me pound a me living. Galang Cutty rank and you a shock and you a sting. The girl them have to crown me king. Cause any lover when me want, me have to get. Say any lover when me want, me have to get. Any lover when me want, me have to get. Kill you any lover when me want, me have to get.
Now I can't help thinking of you,
baby girl.
of all the lonely nights that you put me through. Come on, baby, let's sit down, talk about it, close the deal.
Just come on. Anyway, you have a find it. Bus. I'm a find it. Sing fast.
Pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Without the dance hall, and when we woulda do reggae music call, you must answer to wind up, jump up. When you hear sweet reggae, Buju and Beres Hammond and we tell them today. Without the dance hall, when we woulda do reggae music call, you must answer to wind up, jump up. When you hear sweet reggae, Buju and Beres Hammond and we tell them today. Everyone a do the dance when them love. In this a dance hall, no farmer crowd. Greet everyone that enter with a hook and spread out and listen to some sweet dub and dub.
Pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Scary and the one named Skelly and them know everything where to go. Never rope them in and they can't find out if my brethren them in the land. Everywhere I look is pure skanking. I see no statue around.
Too rotted, I see girls and get fine. See the gospel music versatile. Them want done down with sound and broke with vibes down. Who them a try turn in a clown? Dance all full up and me can't get a chance. Oh me a go find me sister in the dance. Music up your people jump and prance. Rock out, you select the boy.
Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
The one dance a cry. The one dance a cry. I say the one dance a cry. Can't get a chance to make a little step. Dance and ram and miss no place to left. A police come and turn it up, the vibes them want for record. And this is Buju and me say no respect. Well listen, there is some man who's a true intellect.
Yes, you got me rocking in a corner. With all the lights them
can do that, boy.
Can't express how me glad me come on, yeah. I never seen so much good vibes flow. Everyone inside is like family, yeah. I see no strangers around. And every massive is here. And tonight we don't care. Till the violence that make we rock it instead. Jump up alive, every man get up now. Pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Without the dance hall, where we would have reggae music.
Saturday midnight, you know how it goes. It's prime time in the party. Yeah. Every man are running to find a space. Find a little woman to hold around the waist. Bartender, better start praying. Select to pull up and stop playing. Cause if rhythm like this goes all night, Promoter gonna think it's getting a big fight. Yes, cause there'll be no one at the bar except for those who are posing as the star, yeah. Hold on, food court, don't war. You'll get your little thing, cause soon the church bell will ring and they'll start rushing in. Sell off dumpling with anything. It's prime time. Party's kicking, yes. Yeah. DJs and singers ram up the room. Make sure them hear them tune. And if selector take too long to play them song, you know them wrong. And it a go bring a lot of bam bam. I tell you why. People coming from all over. Some in what the music have power. Check out to get the big forward. Tomorrow you're gonna hear how we chat is back. Prime time. Party's kicking, yes. Down. Another big sound preparing to play. It's gonna go to the break of day. Security one boss another head. A little you trying to make a bread. Just then, rude boy step in at the right time.
What on? We are trying to spoil this giant fight.
Apologizing and saying, Jah know me never know, say you're little you that. Ooh, yeah, what is ya now, yes. Which crew this a coming at the place? Screw faces and girls with laces. Jah know I was about to leave on ya, but my woman no left them a drama. Prime time in the dance hall, yes. Yeah. Gunshot a bust but Jamaican and a coward. If you never know gunshot mean forward. Every now and then, yeah, a little mistake. One gonna jail, one ride down and nash it. Yes, so you know the dance locked down. If policeman say you're done, but wait until next week when man get digi and start sick. Yes, prime time in the dance hall, yes. Now, every man are running to find a space. Find a little woman to hold around the waist. It's after midnight, and you know how it goes. You know how it goes, yeah. After midnight, it's after midnight. Make sure midnight.
Talk it over. Let's get a few things straight. Get it right. Honey, satisfy me, but don't leave me satisfied. Yeah. Baby, you satisfy me. Feel so good, I laugh and cry. Still I know you're holding back. Is it fear, experience, or what? Life is a journey we must face. Let's face it together forever. Cause you satisfy me, but don't leave me satisfied. Baby, you satisfy me. In other words, some things are missing. What we need is total bliss. In other words, something is wrong. Let's fix it and carry on. Carry on. Honey, you satisfy me, but don't leave me satisfied. Baby, you satisfy me. Feel so good, I laugh and cry. You think you're all Clara can see, but I'm still broke, me. Yeah, yeah. Mistakes you see, temptation and fury. morning for a million years. Hold me each evening by your side. Tell me you love me for a million years. That if it don't work out, if it don't work out, then you can tell me goodbye. Sweeten my coffee with your morning kiss. Hold me each evening in your arms just like this. Tell me you love me for a million years. And if it don't work out, if it don't work out, then you can tell me goodbye. Then if you must go, I won't tell you no. Still we can say we've tried. Kiss me each morning for a million years. Hold me each evening in your arms. Tell me you love me for a million years. Then if it don't work out, if it don't work out, then you can tell me goodbye. Sweeten my coffee with your morning kiss. Hold me each evening in your arms just like this. Tell me you love me for a million years. And if it don't work out, then if it don't work out, then you can tell me goodbye. And if you must go, I won't tell you no. Still we can say that we've tried. Tell me you love me for a million years. And if it don't work out, if it don't work out, then you can tell me goodbye. If it don't
Just listen, let me tell you my story. How it goes. I just get a letter from my baby. She write me. Oh, I got to let her know. So listen, no boats flow. Oh, I read your letter just the other day, telling me how much you're going away. I wonder what could make you stray. I love you, baby, and why? I never buy you fancy clothes. I never bought you chocolate or rose. I wonder if it things like those could make you go away. I know your friends been telling you a lot of things about me. I don't give a damn. What am I to do? And I know you've been to places. Know you've seen many faces. Know a lot of guys out there wanna go out with you. Yeah, love you, and I wish you that first you doing what you're born to do. Baby, I love you, and I wish you that first you doing what you're born to do. Although you're flipping, this is what I have to say. You could have never find another man like me. I am the player who control your destiny. So don't mess with me. Not so long ago you were a friend of mine. You made them trick you up and control your mind. Unfortunately,
Why am I suffering in it now? Why am I suffering in it now? Rest of my life is so hard. I need a full opportunity. I want to shout redemption. Don't want the end of a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard. Bolded, dogs in the moonlight. Far away, my world is good. Mr. Bill Belly, get these much away from me, you know. I don't find the stuff amusing anymore. So if you be my bodyguard, I can be a long lost pal. I can call you Betty, and Betty when you call me, you can call me love. And then you walk down the street and say, why am I short of attention? Got a short little span of attention. And oh, my night is so long. Where's my wife and family? What if I die here? Who'll be my woman? Now that my woman is gone. Deep down, back down the aisle with some rolling, little that face girl. All alone, there were incidents and accidents, there were instant allegations. Oh, so if you be my bodyguard, I can be a long lost pal. I can call you Betty, and Betty when you call me, you can call me, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 Street in a strange world. Maybe it's a third world. Maybe this first time around doesn't speak languages. Oh, no currency. He's a foreign man. He was surrounded by the sun. Scattered in the marketplace, yeah. Scattered in the orphanages. He looks around. He sees angels in the architecture, spinning and he says, Amen, hallelujah. If you be my bodyguard, I can be my girl, baby. And I feel it in my heart, it's taking over me completely. And then you are the star to come into my life. You can take me of all the girl I ever knew. There never been as wonderful, so special and so sweet to me. And all the dream I ever dreamed, and never been as good to me. You're the one to enter in my dream. Why do I believe that I belong to you? How can I explain the symphony? As far as I'm concerned, my heart notice me. You're the only one for me. Only babe, oh my girl, I say it, baby. I feel it in my soul, your heart caressing me so deeply. I'm under your control, you're all I ever need. You can use me all the time I've been alone. No one has been as beautiful, so strong and understanding to me. All the ways that I can see, no one has been as good to me. You always been the one.
Yesterday I walked away, but left my way, and now you left me crying. Girl, you left me crying. Gotta find my way through the downtown crowd, hoping cars and buses will help to drown this feeling. Such a lonely feeling. I'll have to do the best that I can to stay away from the south. When I roll over and back to touch and you're not there. So when it hurts the most, you left me crying. Girl, you left me crying. You left me crying. Girl, you left me crying. I told myself I was so strong. Can't let my friends know that you left me crying. Oh, you left me crying. What will I do when they all ask, where are you and how come we're not sparring at the big dance jamming? I'm gonna tell them you're gone on vacation, or that your mama ain't feeling so well. Maybe I'll go a little bit overboard and say that you're now in the Lord. You left me crying. Girl, you left me crying. You left me crying. You left me crying. Now wherever you are, my darling one, take this train over me. Remember it's the same good old Beres, and me and you no live, so don't leave me crying. Don't leave me crying. Don't leave me crying. No. No, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. No, no, no. Can't seem to go away. Hey. Just like the pain I felt when you left me on the cold and lonely day. It's given birth to a problem, and it's no bedtime story. Yeah, you need to come to your senses. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Can't live my life without someone to comfort me when I am down. Can't live my life with me reaching for you, but your heaven's not around. Can't live my life just constantly pretending that all is well. Can't live my life every day. I'm checking into the Heartbreak Hotel. Yeah, lot of roses in the garden, smiling in the sun. Yeah, should I nurture you some more? Should I pick another one? Yeah, remember when you were my darling, and you lived up to the world. The only one that could come between you and me was the sweet Lord. Oh, what a price to pay. This is just not my day. I'm trying to keep it down, just hurts to the bone. Can't live my life without someone to comfort me when I am down. Can't live my life with me reaching for you, but your head is not around. Can't live my life just constantly pretending that all is well. Can't live my life every day. I'm checking into the Heartbreak Hotel. Yeah, lot of roses in the garden, smiling in the sun. Yeah, should I nurture you some more? Should I pick another one? Yeah, the rain is falling, can't seem to go away. Just like the pain I felt when we said so long on such a day. It's given birth to a problem, and it's no bedtime story. Yeah, you need to come to your senses. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Can't live my life without someone to comfort me when I am down. Can't live my life with me reaching for you, but your head is not around. Can't live my life just constantly pretending that all is well. Can't live my life every day. I'm checking into the Heartbreak Hotel.
between us. Oh, my lady, and you're on my mind. And as I lay here in the darkness, I can't find no peace inside. I wish you were here, holding me tight. And if I'm hugging me to make it alright, alright. I wish you were here, feel like a child tonight. No, I've seen my baby. Please rain on my window, and I can't come for jobs, yeah. It doesn't lay here in the darkness. I can't find no peace in. No, 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 no. I wish you were here, holding me tight. And if I had a need to make it alright, alright. I wish you were here, feel like a child tonight. You're my baby, each moment. Ooh, and the memory, yeah. So amazing. Time so kind. Every heart filled with some emptiness. I can't stand all this distance between us. Distant. Can't get you out of my mind. Get you out. No way. When there's a light here in the darkness, I can't find no peace. Hey, no, I can't. I wish you were here, holding me tight. And if I had a need to make it alright, alright. I wish you were here, feel like a child tonight. Oh, feel like a child tonight. I had a girl, Donna was her name. I see she left me. I haven't been the same, and I know